Boss Dr. Lee is ordering his henchmen to load the heavy weapons into the back of the car.
Alright, everyone, put gun in the car. Now.
Yes, sir.
Alright, hurry up.
Yes, sir.
Move.
Once done, they get into the car to transport them somewhere,
Let's go.
and there's something very suspicious about it.
Move. Alright, let's go.
The henchmen and the car loaded with weapons leave, while the boss returns to the base. From a distance, two SWAT members SEAL X and Tony are patrolling the street on a motorcycle. They are chatting and laughing together as they go.
Yeah, I think so, right? But that is so simple. Yeah.
The two SWAT members pass by the car and sense something is wrong,
Yes,
so they decide to follow it.
Follow me.
The two SWAT members stop the henchman's car.
Hey, stop!
The two men inside the car begin to feel the situation is getting out of control. Tony and SEAL X only want to check the documents and inspect the car.
Guys, we need to check your car.
Oh, yeah, hi, sir. Hi, sir, what happened? There's nothing in the car.
Yeah.
They look inside but don't see
There's
anything.
nothing in the car. Yeah.
Come on, believe me.
Wait, check it out.
The two SWAT members move to the back of the car. The henchmen inside the car start discussing something.
Hi, so hold on. We need to check it, right?
Hi, now.
What?
Wait, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Move.
SEAL X and Tony open the car trunk
Okay,
and are
open it.
completely shocked.
Now.
Immediately after, the car engine starts and SEAL X quickly pushes Tony out of the way. Two SWAT members rush to their motorcycle and chase after the criminal's car.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
The car door opens, and the henchmen begin shooting at the two SWAT members. Tony riding behind SEAL X shoots back at the henchmen. They skillfully maneuver the motorcycle to dodge the bullets. The car comes to a stop and the henchmen hiding behind the car doors shoot wildly at the SWAT members. The two SWAT members return fire, instantly killing one of the henchmen.
Hey, fire!
The battle is still raging intensely.
Hey, me. Hey, no, okay, fire! Hey, go!
One of the henchmen starts to run away. The two SWAT members move forward to take down his companions. The two SWAT members fire at the fleeing henchman, but he manages to escape. SEAL X checks the henchman while Tony inspects the car.
Alright, get on the car.
The fleeing henchman runs desperately back to the boss's base.
Wait, let's go.
The henchmen at the base are loading ammo into their guns. Boss Dr. Lee is also inspecting a gun waiting for something. The henchman who escaped successfully runs to Dr. Lee. The boss starts to get furious upon hearing what happened.
Boss! Squad took all guns!
What?
Squad!
Tommy!
Yes, sir!
Tommy, are you kidding me?
Yes, sir!
Dr. Lee shows intense
Move it.
anger. He turns and asks about the SWAT members.
Boss, hold on!
Where is he?
Boss, this way!
Where's the guy?
Yes, sir!
Dr. Lee angrily orders his henchmen
Oi,
to go
guys,
find the SWAT members.
Let's go! Fight it! Hold up!
SEAL X and Tony are
Alright,
neatly
yeah,
arranging
yeah.
the weapons they
Me too.
confiscated from the
Yes.
criminals.
Yeah, very dangerous. I think so. Luckily, we've got this much
So, okay.
defense. Very good. Yeah. Hi, alright. You stay here.
okay.
I'm going.
Tony heads downstairs alone and goes to the car. Shots are fired at Tony from a distance, and he quickly uses the car door as a shield. Tony draws his gun and shoots back at the boss's henchmen. SEAL X upstairs hears the gunfire and grabs a gun to go check it out. Dr. Lee hides behind a bush, aiming his gun. Tony turns around, but before he can shoot, the boss kills him instantly. Dr. Lee and his henchmen approach Tony to check on him. SEAL X rushes out and shoots at the criminals, killing one of them.
Use it!
Dr. Lee orders two henchmen to enter the SWAT base. Dr. Lee, thinking only of himself, climbs into the car. The two henchmen go up and start shooting at SWAT.
Hey, let's go!
Go!
SEAL X ducks behind a wall and then jumps out to return fire. Another battle begins.
Hey, get the gun!
Hold up!
The henchman is grabbing the boss's
Hey,
heavy
shoot it!
weapon.
Shoot it! Okay.
One henchman fires wildly at SEAL X to give his companion a chance to escape with the weapons. SEAL X chases and shoots. The henchman fires back, telling the boss to escape. The henchman continues to shoot at SEAL
Hey,
X
go, go,
as he
go.
retreats.
Move.
The SWAT member charges forward, taking down each henchman one by one. Dr. Lee, terrified, quickly drives away in the car. SEAL X tries to pursue but can't catch up. Dr. Lee's car drives off into the distance. SEAL X goes to Tony and calls out to him, but it's too late. Tony is gone forever.
Me!
SEAL X
Me!
expresses his anger
Me!
at not being
We got-
able to avenge
Me!
his comrade.
Yeah!